Stephen Dial, First Coast News.
When somebody's child is harmed, it's personal. It's as personal as it can get.
A dentist accused of abusing 120 children will not stand trial. A judge has ruled that Dr. Howard Snyder is incompetent to stand trial. Snyder drew nationwide attention, accused in some cases of unnecessarily ripping teeth out of young children's mouths. And Julia Janae is on your side tonight, breaking it all down for us.
Anthony, here's how the longtime dentist's criminal case has developed. He was charged with felony fraud in November of 2015, and he pleaded not guilty to those charges in February of 2016. Now, in April of that same year, his attorneys filed a motion to declare Schneider incompetent to proceed, citing that they noticed severe mental deficits and a lack of memory in the 80-year-old client. Now, today, the court agreed and entered an order declaring him incompetent to stand trial. I talked to the attorney for some of those young patients, and the parents have a reaction to the court's decision.
To say it's been a marathon of disappointment is putting it mildly.
Attorney John Phillips says he's represented 131 of Howard Schneider's patients who have accused the pediatric dentist of using excessive force during exams.
Were the ones that came out with, marks around their neck, bruises on the forehead, and that's horrifying.
The criminal case against Schneider alleges Medicaid fraud, that money was being charged for unnecessary procedures or billed in error.
Those were definitely choke marks on his neck.
This mom, Sarah Phillips, spoke to us in 2015.
He removed 4 teeth from my son instead of 2, and decided instead of putting hooks to hold his partials in, he decided to go in and slice my son's gum line wide open, put some wiring mesh with no explanation at all.
The outcry led to protests in front of Schneider's dentist office.
This man's license was taken away. He's not practicing anymore. These moms did that, and that's extremely important.
Phillips says he's now faced with explaining to his clients why Schneider may now never answer the crimes he's accused of.
We've already had several call us, and it ranged the gamut from tears to anger. When somebody's child is harmed, it's personal. It's as personal as it can get.
Now, the court's order only suspends Schneider's criminal case, which didn't have anything to do with these allegations of abuse. Florida law says if he remains incompetent for 5 years, the charges will be dismissed, but he will continue to be evaluated by psychologists. Now, multiple civil suits against the dentist about the alleged abuse remain pending. Phillips says those cases that he's involved in, this incompetency order, won't stop them from continuing. Schneider has always denied any wrongdoing in these cases. Guys, back to you.
Julia, thank you. And an update tonight on